I was wondering if you might be able to provide insight for a hook in a voicemail or a call from my company.
Yeah, what do you guys do?
Yeah, so we sell disability malpractice insurance for dental students. So
Okay.
it's stuff that they have to get and they will buy. It's just a matter of who they buy it from.
Hmm.
So we're trying to kind of grab their attention to meet with them. It's almost like once we meet with them, we have a high chance of placing that sale. It's just getting in front of them and kind of getting them on the phone with us. That is really hard. So most likely a voicemail or a call is where it's more of a warm call rather than a cold call because we have these events with them and meet them in person.
Yeah.
But it's oftentimes hard to get in front of them because we face objections like, oh, I already have that coverage. I'm speaking to someone already, or I'm just not ready for that.
Hmm.
What would you say is a good hook for getting someone's attention?
Simplest one is there's something out there that everybody's getting ready to graduate's having to deal with. Nobody's talking about it. Wanted to make sure you were aware of it, right? And then when they call you back, you can have layers to that insight. And the layer is not, hey, you have to have coverage, you have to have malpractice, you have to have XYZ and ABC, because they're going to go, I knew that, right? So you could say, hey, I'm so glad you called me back. So here's what's going on, right? As you know, every student, as they graduate, as they open up their dental practice, they've got to have XYZ, ABC, malpractice, blah, 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 all the insurance, right? I didn't just tell you anything you didn't already know. Here's what nobody's talking about, though. There's a good percentage, and this is where maybe you guys use your statistics and get a percentage. 28% of graduates believe that they have it set up. They go and that's done. They take the focus off of that. They open their practice. They hire people. They get overhead. They get this, only to find out that the policies that they thought they had in place either were not in place at all, or it was the wrong coverage, thus putting a pause on their business at the worst possible time because they already don't have any revenue coming in, and now they're not able to operate because they don't have the right insurance in place. Thus, now they've got cash flow going out. They've got front people that are filing their nails. They can't see patients, but they've got x-ray machines. They've got overhead. How are you dealing with that and making sure that everything's set up? Man, I didn't really think about that. I'm pretty sure I have it set up. When you say you're pretty sure, can you give me a specific example of what you got going right now? Right? Well, I mean, I talked to blah, blah. Listen, I've got an excellent team behind me. I'm happy to take a look at it. This is what we do. I'm happy to just review everything, whether you're a client or not. If you've got everything set up and it looks like from our end that you're good to go, I'll be the first one to raise my hand, let you know. If I see any gaps or I see any blind spots, I'm also happy to let you know on that thing, right? And then you at least know where those gaps are, whether you end up doing business with us or not. Fair enough? Right? Now, boom, I just made that up. I've been working in your business for 5 minutes. It's because I stopped thinking about how do I talk to them about my products and my policies and my services and my solutions, and I started thinking about what the hell's going on in the industry. And you said they have to have it. Well, when some people have to have it, what does typically happen? What's the only problem? The only problem is I think I have it and I don't have it, right? And it turns out I had something different. So that would be the insight that I would leverage. Now, I want to put one last piece on this for you. Don't leave that on the voicemail. Don't put that in the email. Don't speak that. Don't type that. Don't text that until you're having a bi-directional conversation with them. Because if Billy Fernandez is getting ready to graduate dental school and I put all of that in a voicemail, he's going to go, oh, yeah, that's a good point. And he's going to call his carrier and go, hey, I just want to make sure I've got the right coverage. And they're going to go, yes, you do, future Dr. Fernandez. And he's going to go, cool. And I just lost all ability to actually check that for myself. So you have to just say in your hook, man, there's something going on that every graduate's getting ready to deal with. Nobody is talking about it. I just wanted to make sure you're aware of it. Or wanted to give you a heads up on something, right? There's something going on. Every graduate is going to know about this because they're going to have to deal with it coming up here in a few months. I just wanted to give you a heads up on what's coming, right? Now they're going to call you back. So there's an insight for you, if that makes sense.
Yeah, that's great. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.